Hello friends, I, Srishti Srivastava, team member of Waterlip, the Toppers community, welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today we have with us Mr. Ayush Kumar Patel, who has secured All India Rank 1 in GATE 2021 in Petroleum Engineering. In this video, he will tell us about his preparation journey and share some important tips on notes making, revision, test series and time management. So watch this video till the end. Hello sir, first of all congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. My name is Patel Ayush Kumar Satish Kumar. I am undergraduate student of Pandit Dindayal Energy University, and I am pursuing BTech in Petroleum Engineering from this university. And my job will start in 1 to 2 months. I am already campus placed student from my university.
So can you tell why you selected petroleum engineering among all the other branches?
Sure. As we know that petroleum engineering is a highest paid job among all the other engineering branch. Even as a fresher, you can get higher paid in this branch. This is my first preference in selecting petroleum engineering among all the other engineering branches. And secondly, we can see that oil constitutes 80 percentage of our world energy needs. So we can say that there are lots of opportunities available in these fields. uh, right now we can also see that we are importing almost 80 percentage of our oil from other countries. So right now there are more opportunities in this field in our country. We know that our country is more inclined towards the research development and more opportunities in this petroleum engineering field, because we have to satisfy our energy demands. uh, so petroleum is a major option among all the other energy options. So we can say that there are lots of opportunities in these fields.
Sure. So can you tell when did you start your preparation and what was your daily routine at that time?
Sure. I started my preparation 6 to 7 months before the gate exam. Initially I was preparing 5 to 6 hours daily, and as exam comes near, I gave my best, and I gave 11 to 12 hours a day by preparing these exams. And by my hard work and dedication, finally I achieved all India rank 1 in this exam.
And what about notes? Did you make short notes or the detailed ones?
Yes, I used to prepare my own short notes. Initially I read entire topic, and after reading entire topics, I summarize it in my own words, and make notes of this particular topic. Because as we know that the gate exam is mainly based upon the numericals, conceptual. So it is to be noted that we should have a last point revision strategy. So we should have a proper notes with us, because we cannot revise all the things at last stage. So we should have proper records of it. So I prepare my own short notes and formulas in my own words.
So did you join any coaching or self-studies?
Self study. I did not join any coaching.
And what about test series? How much important do you think they are?
Yes. I I have taken two test series. One is of GATE AIOTS Petroleum Engineering, and second is API ACE GATE in Petroleum Engineering. So uh, after completing one particular subject, uh, you have to give test to assess yourself. So I can say that test series helps us in practice of questions, as well as it gives you the idea about the gate exams. After practicing the calculator of test series, you have a better practice in gate exam. So I can say that test series test series is one of the most important aspects of this exam. Uh, we, we if we practice more questions in test series, then also it will helpful in our exam. So I can say that test series is important for this exam. Without test series, it will be very difficult to crack and get good score in this exam.
And what was your revision strategy?
So I used to prepare 5 days of a week, and after preparing 5 days of a week, I used to revise my entire 5 days subject in 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, because we know that we need a revision, because we know that the syllabus of GATE is very vast. So we need to have proper revision strategy. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for us to revise all the subject at the last moment. So I used to revise weekly, Saturday and Sunday. So it would be very easy for me to catch all the subjects at last moment.
And can you suggest any coaching or an online platform for petroleum engineering branch?
Sure. So as many of the petroleum engineering students know that there are 2 to 3 coachings in petroleum engineering. One is Petro Coach, other is Petrogate, and I think third one is IPE. Yes, I haven't taken any coaching, but I think Petrogate and Petro Coach is better one. So according to me, the questions are better in Petrogate. So Petrogate is best.
And how did you avoid distractions like social media and stay focused? Because it's a long journey.
Yes. So firstly, I am not saying that you should not give a time to this social media handles. So you should have proper timings of your own. After completing your subject, or I can say that if you are preparing for this exam, then if you have proper timetable, that like I will prepare this subject, uh, this I will give this hour, how much, this much of hour to this subject. So after completing your own portion of particular day, you can give a time to it by refreshing your mind. So you should I cannot say that you should not give time to this social media, but according to your own refreshment, you can give time to other platforms as well.
And how did you handle the self-doubt and the demotivation during the studies?
Okay, first of all, uh, you have to keep yourself away from the negative ideas and negative students, because these are the obvious we can hear. These are the obvious views we can hear from the other students. We can also get some of the negative ideas from the some of the Telegram groups we are preparing. So we do not have to keep much attention on these negative ideas, uh, because we do not have any options. Instead, we should give our best and focus on the matters. It will give us better results, according to me.
Sure. And how did you manage your time during the exam?
Okay. So first of all, uh, I have appeared my technical sections in GATE exam, because as we know that aptitude sections are sometimes easy and sometimes hard to solve. So we do not we should not first solve the aptitude section, because we do not have much of the idea about the aptitude section. So firstly we should focus on the technical section, and firstly we should focus on the portion in which we have confidence. So firstly I have appeared technical section, and after completing all the after completing the questions of technical section, I move towards the aptitude section. So firstly, the questions which you do not know and which you do not have any idea to solve in the exam, you should remove that. You should remove solving that question. You should not focus on that question that you do not have any idea about. Lastly, if you have a time, you can give time to this question. but at the first moment, if you are seeing new questions, then uh, you should not give much attention to this question. Firstly, you should focus on the questions that you know betterly. So it will also give you a time for the questions, new questions that you do not know, or you do have a less idea about. So this is my strategy for GATE exam.
So do you have any last message for the future aspirants?
Sure. According to me, if you have a proper time management, proper revision strategy, and fearlessness attitude, then and hardworking attitude, then you will surely get good ranks. I can say that you will surely get single number rank in this exam if you have all these characteristics, because we know that many of the students are preparing for this exam. So we need to keep our preparation up to date. So firstly, join the group that are providing study materials and daily question practices in Telegram. It will helps us in practicing the questions daily, and also it will keep your preparation in track. So according to me, your hard work, your time management, and your dedication, that matters the most.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time and guidance. I would also like to thank our viewers watching this video till the end. Do follow the playlist of your respective branch on our channel for more such videos and for recruitment updates on exams like GATE, ESC, PSUs, etc. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because coming up are more such videos. Thank you.